with the Pleiades, all right? And everyone knows that I and others have problems that all the Pleiadians seem to appear to look like Fabio, a joke that I went with for some time, all right? But in reality, I found out through Peter Maxwell Slattery, my Australian friend, that where a lot of the Aboriginal elders are coming forward with relics to also support this, but that also they were seeded here from the Pleiades, and they were made to the Pleiades image, and that the original Pleiadians here were black and looked as the Aboriginals do. So that is big. That's huge, but that's something that you're not hearing about a whole lot. All right, so that means not just in Pleiades, we also have a wide range of ethnicity there, all right? And especially the first ones that came from that region to populate the earth, all right? So that's one sector of space we can look at now as being melanin dominant to a degree also. There's blues there, there's maybe whites, other things, but we know that they're melanin dominant beings there as well. Also interesting, in this book, they describe also another species that are from that area of space in Centaur that are called the Bacterianians. And actually, I just showed a picture of one of them, Theo, and Theo was supposed to be, that species are actually androgynous hermaphrodites, all right? So actually, he was on this ship, and he's saying, you know, it's a ship of all women. We're going to this planet, but it's their whole planet women. And they tell him, actually, there are no women here. And he realizes they're hermaphrodites when they tell him that. But he didn't recognize that some of them had certain chin attributes and certain shoulders and things that could tell him that, you know, maybe they were androgynous. So it makes you wonder how many people incarnating right now claim to have past life memories of something similar to that, of being a hermaphrodite, androgynous. It's very interesting and definitely food for thought. Another one let's definitely talk to also is Vega, constellation of Vega. And I think Vega may be a place that you have a whole lot of life. It's a very big system, all right? But you've got a lot of ethnic, melanin-dominant species there. And my understanding is that from other galaxies that isn't local Milky Way, that you have dominant races that come, melanin-dominant races that come here, and a lot of them will stop in Vega, or Vega is like kind of a jumping point. So that's something to think of. Kind of the way Lyra is described for other beings, all right? So that's one.